June 9th, around 1:30 a.m., Sushant Singh Rajput's manager Disha Salian was found dead after falling off this building in Mumbai's Malad area. 5 days later, Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his residence under mysterious circumstances. The link between the two deaths cannot be overlooked. And Sushant's family too believes that this could be a cold-blooded murder.
With the other doubts which the family already had with regard to the height of Sushant Singh Rajput and his being able to hang from that fan, and whether if he would hang from that fan, whether that kind of a mark will come on his neck or not.
In the last 95 days, the evidence has been glaring and there are testimonies that cannot be ignored. Whether it is about an alleged link between the June 8th and June 13th events,
कुछ तो 8 तारीख के पार्टी पे कोई ना कोई इम्पोर्टेंट उधर प्रेजेंट था, जो 13 तारीख के भी पार्टी में प्रेजेंट था, उसका एविडेंस छुपाने के लिए, उसका नाम छुपाने के लिए ये सारी भागदौड़ हो रही है.
The admission by Siddharth Pitani, who was present at Sushant's house.
क्या हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट?
नो कमेंट्स.
क्या लोग आए थे? क्या आपने बताया है कि जो है हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट किया गया?
मैंने जो भी क्वेश्चंस उन्होंने पूछा ना, मैंने उनको सही सही जवाब दे दिया है.
आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब तो दीजिए.
मैं
क्या 13 तारीख को लोग आए?
वो भी हमारे घर पे आए थे ना, मैंने उनके बता दिया.
The June 14th WhatsApp clincher that exposes inconsistencies in versions of the flatmates. Testimonies of those who spoke to Sushant between June 8th to June 13th.
The phone call and his statements. So I have no reason not to believe that it wasn't a suicide. No, it was definitely. All of this is a well-planned murder.
Mysterious calls between Sushant and his talent manager Uday Singh Gauri, who is also Disha's colleague.
सर मुझे बात
नहीं, मैं समझ गया आप बात नहीं करना चाहते हैं, मैं समझ गया, लेकिन आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि
क्या बात है? I don't want to talk, so please let me be.
And the version of a crucial eyewitness.
किस चीज के निशान थे यहाँ?
सुइयों के. जैसे एक मोटी सुई रहती है, इतनी मोटी रहती है, वो पतली रहती है, वो छुपाओगे तो निशान आएंगे, बरोबर. वो निशान होते हैं और यहाँ पे कुछ टेप चिपका था. पोस्टमार्टम के बाद मैंने जब उसको टेप निकाला था, देखा था, जब उसको कुछ तेल वेल से हिला रहे थे, जब भी मैंने देखा.
The evidence is mounting. The homicide investigation is the focus now.
To some very important points. We also have got the Pauna farmhouse caretaker, and he talks about how Sushant was furious about Ria's expenses. One. Secondly, we have got 4 witnesses on record who say that before she died, Disha called Sushant. We have got 2 witnesses on record who say that Sushant further told someone. We've got 1 more witness on record who has said that one person who Sushant informed about what happened to Disha was none other than Ria Chakrabarti. And we've got another individual on record who says we've got a whole testimony of this from Rohan Rai. We've got a further testimony on record today that Sushant wanted to enhance security the moment Disha left this world. That the moment Disha died, he felt he could be killed and murdered. And he wanted his security enhanced because he said they may kill me like this as well. And Siddharth Pitani, who has also by now confessed Pradeep. Pradeep is on the debate right now. Siddharth Pitani, who has confessed, and Pradeep will debate with Mohammad Tausif. Let me complete this, however. Siddharth Pitani has now said to the CBI that Sushant feared for his life. After Disha died, further corroborated by someone who said, I had a 22-minute phone conversation with Sushant, and Sushant told me that they wanted to kill him, that the same people who killed Disha wanted to kill him. We have 2 further testimonies on this. So all the evidence that is now coming out is coming out in a very factual and detailed manner. Okay, so This is now, the homicide angle is absolutely exploding, plus the fact the ligature mark is not V-shaped. The ligature mark is O-shaped. It can never happen that the person with the O-shaped ligature mark has been strangulated by another person, not hung. It is impossible. There is something called gravity. Gravity pulls you down, and hence you have the back of your neck lifting the noose, and the ligature mark has to be V-shaped. So we have told you earlier about 2 bodies on the stretcher. We've told you about the 7 feet long body. I'm going to come out with more revelations in the next few days. And do innocent people walk out with devices of the man who dies within the next 5 days? His laptop was taken away, hardware taken away, camera taken away, passwords taken away. Why? She wanted to hide something. And we all know that in suicide cases, circumstantial evidence of such strong nature become extremely critical. And one more thing I'll tell you, viewers, people who are committing suicide do not dial 100. And does a person looking to commit suicide dial 100 and call the police before jumping out of the window? Or does the claim of Nitesh Rane that Disha Salian called the cops indicate that someone was out to get her? My question is also one on basics. And when you do criminal investigations, and I've done quite a few, Neelam, psychology of the person is a big matter, behavior of the individual. Does the fiancé of a lady, Shilpi, be logical on it, and you're in a debate with Neelam Krishnamurthy. Does the fiancé of a lady who has a live-in relationship with her, if she has committed suicide, then does he just get up, run away from the city like he's got to save his life, leave his profession, leave the state, go into another jurisdiction and go missing? And before he goes missing, he calls up, when a local politician called Nitesh Rane calls him, he tells him the whole story. He said Disha called 100. He said there was entry of people into the house. He indicates she was flung out, she was murdered. He indicates something wrong happened to her at the party she was present with. There were 2 actors and a politician. And he also says that I am under threat. When the local politician tells him that why don't you go and speak, I'll give you protection, he says, no, these are very powerful people. They will get me. I am under threat. I cannot talk about Disha. I cannot fight these people. I am going away. A proof of the fact is he then goes away. Do we know, Shilpi, where is Rohan Rai today? How can a person just disappear? How can a person just disappear? And why would the person disappear? If the person has left for time to heal or contemplate or spend time with oneself or grieve, even that would be for a period of time, and the person would not become incommunicado, uncontactable. The only thing which appears is a grill in the window of the building from where apparently she was thrown out. She falls at an 18-degree angle. Nobody can jump out. Even an Olympian cannot jump at an 18-degree angle. You have to have a lot of people pushing you out. And not just that, Shilpi, one last piece of evidence. Deep Ajmera, nowhere to be contacted.